Hi guys, I just wanted to show you a very useful tool. I was using GIMP to generate my normal maps, and then I found this literally by accident, uh, and this is awesome. It's just a tool that downloads in your browser cache, so it's nothing getting out of your machine. And well, as you can see, I just have to click here or drag and drop texture in this. I take my texture and it generates a super awesome normal map or displacement map or ambient occlusion specular. So normal map up, I can change the strength. The here the scrolling bar is a bit hard to see, but just move it. Level, yeah, I like 7, but for up. Give it back. Blur, which is very interesting. You can see it could be useful. So let's say something like this. I can revert it for a new engine or do it in the engine, I don't care. You can use some nice examples for testing. Okay, and well, you just type the name you want. Let's say up, choose the format, and then download. Up, or download all. You see, up, gives me all this. It's really impressive. I mean, you can easily do whatever you want for your materials, and yeah, it works incredibly well. I'm shocked. So see, if you if you wanna use it, I'll put the link in the description. See you, and you can donate to the guy. See you soon.